Hello, I Xposed GH, baby. I'll be the check Sienna Agyemang. And we are say some stars are born, others are made. Yes, I dare to be a maker. Yeah, when the baby or her and ne you want to be close to them, but 10 years ago, you don't choke and I won't pay. Me see the story of Alpha Hour, your dad Elvis. Nah, I've been touched by the story. Me person could see about me come as a young camera.
Eye me fie ne etimi yetin gu pan mu. Mu benom no from anopa kosi anwumre na mada. Tin ye gu pan mu. Tin no hwe ma behu anim. Yempa wo chewo. Wo hwe o ma me nisu a ode yetin na obenom. Wo hwe ni nisu a ode yetin na obi nka nkire wo se. Nomti. Ye de ya godie we konom kap baako. Onam musa one hour time wakosa kap baako. No, we are near till evening near the ada. My meaning him said the AC will feel hono. Ah, right. Young crowd there, toda near the air, ni GSA, near num, near that. But my meaning himself, radin, yes, say necessary partner. Oh, so, but ni nemu. El radie or ye ja. The difference between master near Johnny said, master and found. The master bet you out now, but a job betray you, a ja. The difference between master and no might thought that and Yankupon and Nantiano, I thought that Sumbamuno, because he has to train you. And in the midst of the training, sometimes you will cry. Because oh no bompire kutaye, the maybe drew obey yare. That time that me a grab and them into me school semi basa. Enti meshano or ria untimi nante, onis can or their hospital or ria. Form. Let me dinner cheese near Ria Babesi Gate or Bompire. Namishan. Nanswa Rade Nina Kumebi or Nibanim. The true stage bino. Me who say me drew baby. Let me boafwa. No answer metinafo. Say nemu who me say is because obi Nini Bibi Homakuma mu say. Nyamibu wo wa ye mfa ye ne hu nanso wa manie mbere mu no usufre na obeti meni mu bi kasa eya koye se eni da so asa mu be brade konti a mo mfa kristosu mu biem ne se ma give up de besi biansi but me kai will be se nyankopo betima ma de besi biansi but wa dear baako bi a wo hwehwe sam me amigina we ewiase ameti sesi bibia mo me hu bie firi se urade bo me hu ni nyina ebra me sha obo me hu ni nyina me hu wu anim me hu hia me hu yare me hu anim guase me hu akiri san me hu no sanya wusi ne wonam fofo wo ho no bia wa ni daso na wu ni bi. The never person chief ni say onye say odi be break me down. One day me was secondary school. Me brother many done so a brand woman mu ye dey na radi picture me brother. Ti okochini okoba obenye biaba. Di obenye bia. No dia befi. You obenye bia. Dia befi. One day me nyane call. Me just say Oba beka se sika menye sika njije kakra bra me was secondary school ofre me anosi Joe una oti me bompa e kakra ti me catch ro se ditum se ye hiafo se Ghana ha ye pe hiafo pa ye kan hu bi ti hwo hu yi wan koto amanim. Assembly come. Nina never did ye bibi. I will makum. Says ya bama me jina hey. Minima radina minim no say obi ne preach in chiremio. Minim ya maybe o timi yi ni pe free him di ko yediem. Minim. And you be preaching na me preaching. And you be preaching and na me preaching. And you be book na me reading here. And you be story in na me de kasa. Because you through stage I catch him and say, you can hear for pa. You won't mind. Me shema brabo ye. In she. The baby to me. Je knew Pia. For 3 years, me papa, me mama, me niamu, obia nye juma ni etifie baku. For 3 years, obia nye juma, eni etifie baku. Bisa me say, ye den ye tria electricity bill. How were we eating? Bisa me. That was when I learned. Say, all that a human being need in this life is a God. What is wrong? What is wrong? Oshenipa. The OBFM. Oshe. Ubetia electricity. Eyono. Se ubedi dia. Eyono. Se ubetata dia asha. Eyono. Sa sumdie be wofia. Eyono. Sa hotobeba. Eyono. Ne toda. Onipa dwene se ni solution ye nipa foforo enti awurade de ubeduru stage a ubehunu se obi ani ho ma se ne be ya wakoma we ebetima dan ono nko a ti David duru sa mre no o se he fana memua ebefiraba se memma mani so ba kire people he fana memua befiraba memua ifre awurade sansem no enya koma bia keke netimi kan sansem eyo bia wa fa wo mu or say though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death I fear no evil for thou art with me thy rod and thy staff they comfort me me fa sa wu ewu ni mu pie ye no mahunu se wo boma bia wo de chichiri ni pare me kai sa pomano na me kai de ma fema me chichire me refri se manwu sa mpempen so na me wu ene jai grammar na wo de ma faith the explanation of faith jai sa grammar didie nyina ne se obi be hu se nyame bi e wo ho se jidi ani ma wo bi nso awurade ani ne twade oba nyame ho ne se won hu ne se owo ho wo hwe me na enne me ti se de me tie ya sa yesu owo ho.
This is the manner of filling up the whole stadium. If you can see that, Shatawalim comment me and Felisa. People sat there for hours listening to the word of God. Yes. And that day I felt proud as a Christian. Because some na o preachy na enyen ono ho asem na oka. Na asem where me tie o se say na we story. Yeah. Because only me be sometimes no baby a wo feeling to ma e define you. Then be am say don't let your current circumstances define your future. And now wo hwe me ebi wo kura wo bank account no endo 100 Ghana. But adie ba ko a me pese obey say you need to have a dream. Yes. You need to dream and dream big. Sabe o hwe na utie asema Elvis ekaya. Na eche se efi ofimu no enye fie biam. Enye fie na ohia wo ho. Adum bi na aso no so. And now ye wo hoy, ye wo people who are going through trying times. Enye easy. Obi o sorry, ni obedi po na ya sem. Minimum phobia, sabe on person ko wu no mo ko. Benem ameka some show. There is what hope for you. So obeti nyame obo wu edidia. And then may catch us say there is hope for you. May catch us say some of us 10 years ago you didn't like. But and then we speak to nations and people listen. The dream na the prophecy na nyame dia ma in may tarry. Obi kwa o ha shedding kom sa was my bread. The time is not due. Utie papa ya sama e hye me kwa na e ka asem de bia meka. Me say Nyankopon onim the end of the story. We see the beginning of the story. And sometimes or most often, the beginning of the story is not good. Obi pa ya shan comes a wo beto airplane. Na enda okọ na ne to atete a odi ko school. Okọ saito fanchine ko. Sabi oni enidaso bia. Osi aduane ne ye ya senia ye chiche no enye se oh God man. What's your story no? Osi enya de ye po but wo hwe the pain that the woman has gone through ubedi aduane no. Na we nyina so e de ba asem ba ko. Ewiase se onwo so ye nwo de bia me kasa asem we. Enya Elvis America ono de so that time no na the world is different but enne onwo so ye nwo because obewu na wotimi hwa akola de nwo makola ne enka waya ase na ball todwe na ko because one nyesa na ko wo na we team pampa ti ya gagba ne de ye ne ekosesa de a nyame betu aka because nyame wan small self akola ne bra wi ase wo na akodi wa agro na de ba wi ase na wo a wo hwa me so a sabe wako to the circumstances my video way enye what a point of contact for you because it may be just as this guy from nowhere from deep poverty he has now become an icon for the whole world you also become so wo gidia obeye unless you need faith ba wo faith say na mo faith ya nyame ya ma me ama na bro so a enye nyame den mimi nyame na me som no me say ofa bo to ne ntem obi say ofa bo to ne ntem come and follow my God who follow me God obeto bo ne ntem because a bo no watu na me hu bebre enti video way should be a point of reference for you when you are down listen to it now who say bibia situation bia no God can turn it around. I Xposed GHFM Bruce. Subscribe, share, me too man. I will say I can be manuals.